Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Outlook account by using your PC. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Go to the search bar and type for Outlook login. Click on the very first link that you see. Now to log in, on the top right corner you can see sign in. Click on sign in. Now here, fill this space with your email, your phone number or your Skype, whichever is preferable or whichever is accessible to your account. Then click on next. Now enter your password, then click on sign in. And this is how you log in to your Outlook account. You can explore your feed here, you can meet and chat with people here and do different other activities. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.